Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A13. First, locate the power button, volume down, power button. You would need all three keys to be working. Press and hold the volume up in the power button. Once your device turns on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, release your finger off of the volume up. Scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Select it by pressing the power button. Once you are on this screen, that means the phone has successfully reset everything back to the settings, factory settings. Once the device comes on, it will be completely erased, and that's what we want. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.